If you've watched my YouTube channel for a long time, you know that I work on the ground all the time. Take this clip from my last chicken coop video for example. There's snow on the ground, there's ice on the ground. Look at how miserable that looks. It was starting to become kind of a pain having to cut every single 2x3 and 2x4 on the ground, especially for my old and weak knees. So I decided that it was finally time to build myself a workbench. Originally, I was planning just on making 2 different sawhorses, but I kind of got carried away. You'll see later. This, my friends, is my exact motto. Shout out to that company. I don't really know what I was thinking when I was cutting the legs for this thing, because I was like, I should make the legs 4 feet tall. That'd be a comfortable height to cut at. No, it wasn't. I was too lazy to go back and unscrew all the legs, but this was probably more work for myself, hand cutting all these specific angles, but I guess it kind of worked.
Oh, perfect. Oh, it's so good. Whew. So level.
Then I began the second sawhorse, and I learned from my mistakes, and I actually cut the legs the right length this time. At this point, my little sisters decided it was a good idea to just hang around me while I was working, so you'll kind of see them for the rest of the video.
What is it?
Sawhorse.
Like, it's like you can...
saw horses on it.
No, so it's like a seesaw. No, you like
no,
put it like
not.
this, I think.
What, whole dollar?
I'm gonna dump this bucket out. I'm joking.
No, hilarious. Ah.
By the way guys, the day that I finished the workbench was the same day I started building my 6th and 7th chicken coops, and I won't be making a video on those. And I thought it would be pretty boring to make another 4-part series on building pretty much the same exact chicken coops, so you guys don't get to see how I built my 6th and 7th chicken coop. If you're wondering why the top piece is white, it's because it was a scrap. I didn't really feel like spending extra for plywood, so there you go. Don't judge me. And there you have it, a video on how I saved my knees and how I made my life a little bit easier. Hope you guys liked this short little video.